Hello guys, welcome to the another training program on Bitrix CRM. So today we're gonna look other features inside the lead. Okay, so we go the lead. As you can see, we have covered all the parts on the left corner of the lead card, and we're gonna look into the right side. This is the border, and we're gonna look these options. Okay, these are the options. First option is comment. So if you call your client or customer and you are taking an information from him through call, so whatever the he want to like some of these things, the main things will be explained by the customer. So you need to directly, you can type it here and type whatever the things that you wanted. So wanted delivery. Okay, the customer wants a free delivery and you just type it and save it. As you can see, it's went through and it's stuck in there. And also the task. So like the customer, you called the customer but he didn't pick the call, so you need to put the tasks to call. You need to call by around evening 5 o'clock, or you just put a task whatever the things you wanted, and here what is the take a follow up, and you can just put the task also. And there is an SMS, so you can directly, if you are linked to your WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook, you can directly chat with the customer. So this is for how to link this. You just click on more and you can select whichever the you, it's mainly on integral part. So if you are integrated with a WhatsApp, you can directly link the WhatsApp and you just text the message and directly it will move to the WhatsApp. Okay, and also person whoever uh, like he text us, so that will the text will comes to the Bitrix itself. Okay, and this is for email. If you integrated the mail ID with a Bitrix, you can directly send a mail to these templates, and you can just with a one click you can send the mail also. And this is the mail section. And next is wait. uh, this is probably uh, like you have given a quotation and you have uh, the customer has accepted everything, and uh, he has took a time to he has accepted the quotation but he is not ready to buy our product. So he may tell like you're gonna buy the products for after what, after a month or after a week. So you can put the day also. So it is mainly for the internal purpose, like if you the particular person is dealing with this lead. Okay, so another employee came into this lead, so you want to understand what are the scenarios, what are the talks that happened with the customer. So easily the other employee who is not at all touch with this lead, so he can easily understand what are the things that the other employee had done with the customer. Okay, this is what these things are there. And you can easily invite a person. If you are connected with a Zoom, you can easily invite the person to a meeting in Bitrix itself. And there's a, I'm sorry, oh I'm sorry. Okay, and for meeting, like the meeting is for like uh, if a customer accepted everything, so uh, like how can I tell this? Okay, so uh, we have given a proposal for the customer, and the our employee, which means our technical team, has to go to the site. Okay, go to the site and meet the customer. So that period we can put this in structure. Okay, so we can put it in structural way. So whatever our employees went to this site, and what are the works they were done in the site, and they at the what time they came back, and these things will be easily like we can put in meetings and calls. It is directly we can, if we are integrated with a call, the calls will be recorded here, and we can, it will automatically records, records the call, and also it will capture how much minute that you are interacted with the customer, and next everything will be easily recorded here, and also the subject and username also, sorry, a responsible user also will selected. And there's a more visit. Okay, still around 20 minutes. This is the main thing, we gonna interact with the customer. This is the main part where the internal structure will be held. Okay, and that's it for this section. And uh, the thing is, if you want a Bitrix CRM free trial account, I put the link in description. You just click on that and you get a free trial account, and also there is a support link that you can ask your queries, questions, so that we can answer it. Okay, thank you, one and all.